What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is actually a really big video. Did say in the last video I was gonna buy a set of wheels, and bought a set of wheels. And if you guys haven't seen my Instagram, follow it right over here. They're pretty hot, boy. They're 3-piece wheels, and I'll show them right now. So these are SSR MS1s, with the polished lips and silver faces. Absolutely gorgeous. Man, I love these wheels, and I can't wait to see them on the car. But we've got a long way to go with this. But here they are, and these are going to be the fronts right now. We're going to get to that in a second. The fronts are 18 by 7.5 plus 43. And then the rears are 18 by 8.5 plus 30-ish. Like, I think like 33 or something like that, 34. It's going to be really flush mint spec for this car. Usually 8.5 plus like plus 30 plus 35 is like really good for the cars. Perfect flush fitment. But these are the 18 8.5s, and then this is the 18 7.5. Other than revealing the wheels to you guys, by the way, oh my god, they look so good. But other than revealing the wheels to you guys, we're going to be rebuilding the two fronts. So the two fronts are 7.5s, obviously. And I'm upgrading the lips from, these are 1.75 inch, so 1 3/4. I'm upgrading them to 2.75 inch. So they're going to be the same spec as the rear. So it's going to be a square setup on this car. And man, I've been looking so hard for lips and shit like that, and I can't find them because nobody ever does by 1/4 inch sizing lips. They always did halves, like 3-piece US and stuff like that. So I hit up a guy on Instagram, Jap Crap. I'll put him under the description. But he made me custom 2.75 inch lips for the SSRs. Absolutely gorgeous. The finish is mint. So I got a pair of them, and honestly, they didn't cost much more than getting 2.5 inch lips for being custom. So it's mint. So yeah, we're gonna be building these, and you know, get right into it. And this is gonna be my first time rebuilding wheels, so don't judge me too hard, but I'll try to explain as much as I can while I'm doing it. Put these 8.5s to the side. It's got the protective layer on the back, so it's gonna set them down right over here. Don't gotta worry about that. They're so sexy. Can't wait. I really can't wait. So another thing is that these wheels are 5x114. So I'm actually going to be doing the 5x114 conversion, the hubs on her right over there. So we're going to be converting 5x114 hubs. I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on that also. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for it, because we're going to be escalating this year. Clutch is going to be done, wheels, exterior stuff, everything is going to be done this year. So it's going to be the year of the flex, kind of like what Adam LZ says. So we're going to be starting on the fronts. Obviously, we're not going to touch those rears. So yeah, let's unwrap this one. Sitting. This is fully unwrapped, and we can see right here the wheel has been resealed. So we would have to get like a knife, anything that's sharp, and we would have to split this in half. So since these have been resealed with silicone from the guy that I bought it from, by the way, the website is Wheels Gang. I'll put the link in the description. I got a steal for this, so gotta get the knife and put it directly in the middle of the silicone, and then just try to split it in half. But disclaimer, when I've seen it online, a lot of these JDM wheels, they're usually welded in the middle. So if you guys have a machine shop that you can go get it like cut from somebody, you could do that. Or you want to play a little risky, you can get like a cutoff wheel. Make sure you go against the lip side of the weld, and just gotta cut it slowly all the way around. Make sure you use protection, obviously, and make sure you use aluminum grade like a cutoff wheel so it doesn't like blow up in your face, but like literally along the grain right over here. So what I gotta do is get a knife and then just basically go right here in the middle, cut it all the way around. So let's get straight to it. You don't ever know until you get into it. Yeah, that's all around. Now, what we're gonna do is see all these bolts. There's 40 of them. We would have to take those off, and they are anodized, which is so cool. Just make sure it's just gotta unbolt all of these, and then in the front you got triple squares. I think they're 6mm triple squares, so gotta take all those bolts out. Okay, so I loosened all of them from the front over here. These are all around here M7 triple square bolts. So you just gotta loosen. I loosened all of them. So now I'm just gonna go from the back, and just gonna hold this in the front, put this in, and then from the opposite side, just loosen the nuts. Like this. Let's just make a twist. Pause. This is gonna be like short, but I gotta do this 40 times. But I'm just trying to take one of them out. These threads are so freaking long for some reason. Oh, there you go. And then this one pops out, and there you go. M7 right here. That's a 10mm, by the way. 10mm. Can't believe you use anodized. Not anodized, zinc coated. I'm very turned on by that. I like that. So I'm just gonna screw it back on together so I don't lose them. And there you go. So I gotta do that 40 times. Probably use this from the back of the barrel, help me out a little bit, and zip them all off. So I got the lip with the face separated, and I got the barrel separated from the lip and stuff like that. So it seems like the actual face of the wheel has like this lip that the lip of the face, the lip goes around that. So you would have to kind of like hit the lip to push out this way, going that way, and like just try to push the lip out and separate the face from the lip. And that was the same thing I did with the barrel. So what I did was, with the barrel, I hit with the rubber mallet right over here, as soft as I can, and separated that from the face and the lip. So I got that separated, which is mint. Now I just got to separate these two, the face. Fuck. I gotta be careful. I mean, I'm not using these lips anymore, but still, gotta be careful. Separate this from the face, and then we could get this face and put it on that. I managed to get the face separated from the lip. It took PB Blaster, a microfiber towel, and a mallet, and you would put BB Baster all over the edge of the lip, right? Then the lip that was sticking out that I showed you guys in the last clip, you put like a microfiber towel over it. You just hit the crap out of it with the mallet, and the face will eventually fall. Make sure you put like a microfiber or two on the in between where the face will fall into, so you don't damage the face. My face is still absolutely fine. Looks perfect. It's got PB Blaster on it, so I gotta clean it. So now, gotta clean this edge. Take off all this silicone. Get that, bolted all up together. So let's get this cleaned up. So I got the barrel right over here that I have to clean up. And I got a razor blade. And what I'm gonna do is drag the razor blade across, try to get all the silicone off. This is very fresh silicone because the guy just sealed them together. So it's gonna run it across and just try to clean it up as much as possible. Try not to gouge it into the aluminum because you need this surface to be nice and flat so you can be able to seal it properly. The silicone is going to do that, but it's just, why not create extra work for yourself? So just got to clean it nice and thoroughly. And then after that, I got like this abrasive wheel that I can connect to my drill. I'll just like run it across there and clean up the surface so it could be ready to rebuild the wheel back together. So let me get this all off with the razor blade and I'll be back. I take it back, the abrasive wheel was way too aggressive. So I actually used a metal wire brush that's like soft against my skin-ish, you know, so it didn't scratch up the lip of the wheel of that part at all. I was just too sussed out to use that. I think that's not really good against aluminum, so I literally like stopped after like 3 seconds, but it's all nice and clean. I'm not gonna clean this because there's no point. I'm not gonna put this back on. So what we could do is get the new lip. Got the lip right here. I did have him get this notched. This is gonna be for the valve stem right over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the barrel. Put that over to there for a second. Move this real close to me, right? And now we're gonna get this lip and line it up with that valve stem. And then, wow, this looks mint. Holy shoot. Okay. Just get the lines, the holes lined up and everything. Don't exactly have to line that up to the dot yet, but there you go. Then there's a notch on the face. So what we're gonna do is carefully put the face inside. Like that. So I'm gonna plop this in. That's how you put it in though. Make sure the valve stem is lined up. And I gotta like push this in, so I'll be back. All right, so I got the wheel back together. Looks absolutely amazing. It's my first time doing it, so don't judge me when I say this, but all right, the way I put it back together is like in the last clip. I put the lip on the barrel, then I put the face on top, right? And since it's such a tight tolerance, you would have to put the bolt in with the nut in the back, like a few spots around the wheel, right? And I don't think it doesn't look warped, and everything sat properly. So this is how I did it. So I put like a bolt on each side. Then I kept tightening it down and then in like a star pattern until the lip fully sat to the barrel, the lip, right? Or sorry, the face fully sat to the lip and the lip fully sat to the barrel. So now I just gotta torque all of these down, and then that should be a complete wheel. right here with the 2.75-inch lips. And there you go. And then next, after that, I'm going to torque them down, and then we'll seal them with silicone that's right over there. So that's going to be a fun job to do. All right. It was hard to do it with the camera, so I decided to put it down and seal them. But not the cleanest job, but it's covered all the way around. Doesn't look bad at all. I am gonna reseal this one, and then the other one did a pretty good job on. Looks really clean. This will definitely seal, and it's clear, so it looks a lot better. So yeah, these are my wheels, my brand new wheels, SSR MS1s, baby, and they're gonna be going on the web. 2.75-inch lips all around, so now they're gonna be 18 by 8.5 plus 30 roughly. So these are going to fit real good. And I got 225, 40, 18 tires for it, obviously. And if I never emphasized it before, these are 17-inch faces, and it's a step lip to 18. So it just makes them look even harder, bro. Like, look at this. I absolutely love these wheels, and they're going to look absolutely amazing. Can't wait for it. So it's like 12 in the morning, and finally finished them. So now we can get on to put these wheels on the car. It is still a little too cold. I do want to put summer tires on this car, so probably gonna put them on around February, like end of February, somewhere around there. We'll see what happens. I've already ordered a set of tires, and they actually came in. I have to go pick them up tomorrow, and that's it. So, yeah. End it right here. I hope you guys love the wheels. I do, personally, and they're gonna look banger on the car. So, it's just so cool, and I can't believe I thought in a million years I would buy a set of 3-piece wheels. I was always a 1-piece wheel guy, and just looking at them, like, the prices are almost the same. If I wanted to get like really nice 1-piece wheels, like raised gram lights 57 DRs, they're almost as much as these 3-piece wheels. Regas, or any kind of just like 1-piece, like really good quality wheel. I don't care about the reps or rear wheel thing. If they look cool, and I mean, if they are real wheels, then sure. Reps is a really controversial like opinion for everybody. Like, I believe Kansei and what is it? Kansei, Vossen, all that stuff that some people call reps. I think they're real, because to me, real wheels mean quality. It doesn't matter about I don't know, background for wheels. I mean, background is cool. There's heritage to JDM wheels and stuff like that, but if it's good quality, then why the fuck not? So these wheels look absolutely great. I can't wait to put them on my car. And if you guys please subscribe to the channel, throw a like. Not yet, I didn't hit 300 subscribers, but I'm about to. So I've been getting hundreds of views, thousands of views so far on all my videos. So if you guys are watching this till the end, I appreciate you, and thank you for watching the videos. And please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. And next video is going to be me putting my wheels on my Volvo C30. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.